I'm at site 1A2D, the south-facing shaded site in Phoenix, and Steve Peterson just emailed us that he thinks these little flying bugs are the wasps, and so we should get them out of there. But I just saw a bee go into this tube here, and you can see these are plugged with some sort of green stuff. This one's always been plugged, and this one here is plugged. So I'm trying to decide whether to remove this or leave it in place and see what happens with the wasps. Interesting situation here with site 1A2D. I just described that Steve Peterson thinks these are the predatory wasps. My initial reaction was to take it down, and then I saw bees still going in. Our orchard cutter bees, and now you saw this other insect fly in there, and so my secondary reaction is I didn't want to take it down because I didn't want these wasps to migrate to the other habitats, especially the one in front that we just put up. So I'm going to consult with Gene and hopefully Steve some more and see what the right path forward is here. Hello, this is Jim for the Blue Orchard Bees in Arizona project. We just got the input from Dr. Steve Peterson that some of those bugs we've been seeing flying around here are probably the predatory wasps. And so I decided to pull the tubes of the existing cocoons from the habitats because by now they should have all evolved. So now we're going to use the Acme bug catcher that we so successfully used before to see if we can trap any of the other bugs or bees in this tube from that we had just placed out in a week ago in this new northward facing site. So let's see what's inside here. Okay, we're now ready to proceed with opening this tube in the Acme bug catcher. Make sure that no bugs can escape, especially those flying predatory wasps. So let's unload this tube and see what we have in it. Okay, so far I don't see anything moving. Shake it up a little. It appears, again, I do not see any movement. So let's continue to monitor this situation, and we'll take some pictures and come back with some video if necessary. I think I just saw something move. Was it? No, I think we're okay. So let's just monitor this and see what happens. Okay, we've zoomed in here to take a closer look. It appears that there are no live insects in here. You can see at least 2 dead bees, one here and one here. I do see some movement here now, a larva. So that is it. Next one, open cocoon. So that's an interesting observation. I'll take a close-up picture of that. And other than that, there are a few other larvae here and here. So let's capture these back in the tube, and we'll refrigerate them and keep them out of the field. So we fashioned a crude funnel out of a piece of paper and some tape to pour the bees stuff back in. Let's see how it works. All done. Okay, we removed the tubes and labeled them. You can see these were the original 19 April and 1 April, so we'll we'll put them in his refrigerator and figure out what to do next.